They'll be judged on 3 gates. 3 gates. Show walk, slow rack, and a fast rack, and please keep them on the rail if you can. And if you're on the rail, you might want to step back a little bit. This is what you've all been waiting on. Oh, they're going to change gears. They're going to go at a slow rack. You got them littlins on the rail. You might want to get them. They rocks will be going up here in a little while. They're showing them on a slow rack. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to watch them go at a fast rack? Turn your horses and let them go fast rack. Bring them back down to the slow rack, please. Bring them on back down. I think you, ladies and gentlemen, enjoyed this half of the speed racking class. So what's the other half going to be like? Down to slow show walk. Bring them back to the show walk. Find your place up there and spread out a little bit where you can have a race in a minute. Back in reverse and go at a show walk. Easy does it. Easy does it. All right. Rail be showing, ladies and gentlemen. Show walk. It is showing. Show walk. Pick them up a little bit. Pick them up a little bit at a slow rack. Let them go at a slow rack. Tell you, these horses go a little faster if you cheer for them a little bit. They'll go a little faster if you cheer for them a little bit. They're going to clutch it, put it in the 3rd gear, fast track, let them go to fast track. What do you think about the speed class, ladies and gentlemen? Bring them back down to slow rack. One more time. Turn them speed horses on, ladies and gentlemen. I thought he'd do it. One more time. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Down to a slow rack, please. Down to a slow rack. And it's lineup time, ladies and gentlemen. It is lineup time. I want to introduce the riders here at entry 39, Lucy and Christopher Dempsey. Entry 380's Highwayman and Alex Lowe. Entry 39, Mustang Sally and Gary Hall. Entry 2234, Pistol, Brian Bridges. I heard something about the Turtle Man. What's that got to do? Can't take him nowhere, can you, Brian? Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this class, put your hands together and pay them all off. Got to be a pretty talented rider to ride a speed horse, ladies and gentlemen. They've done a great job. Ladies and gentlemen, we appreciate all of us coming out. We really appreciate the support of the speed racing class. The winner of this class, please ride to your right. And the honors this season goes to entry number, we'll hope I don't call this out wrong, 39, Lucy, Christopher Dixon. Reserve in this class goes to entry number 380, Highwayman, Outro, rides reserve. Third in the class goes to entry number 39A, Mustang Sally and Gary Hall. Fourth in the award goes to Turtle Man, riding pistol 2234, Brian Bridges. Appreciate them coming out. You think we already see a victory lap by the blue ribbon winner today? What do you think? Think we get one more lap out of it?